to start with. So, managing cultural diversity in the workplace results on an ability to understand, communicate with, and effectively interact with the people across cultures and work with varying cultural beliefs and schedules. While there are myriad cultural variations, so here are the four essentials of managing cultural diversity in the workplace. Okay, so first is communication. Communication provides information accurately and promptly is critical to effective work and team performance. So this is particularly important when a project is troubled and needs immediate cooperative actions or comments. So we all know that communication is the key to understanding. It is really important that we have a proper communication with our colleagues, with our co-workers, so that the work will be done properly and precisely. Communication is really important to work on and to be in a workplace so that you can understand well each other and have an harmonious relationship with each other. Next is the team building. Team building in some cultures, like the United States, individuals are individualistic and people want to go at it alone. Other cultures value cooperation with or among the other teams. So, for example, here in the Philippines, most of the companies they have their own team buildings. Why? Team buildings strengthen the cooperation, the bond, and the relationship within the co-workers. So this with the help of the team building, it strengthens the relationship of the workers itself in a company. With the help of team building, they can um, bond with each other. They will know each other individually. They can think that they don't need to be alone because working on a task with a team will make the work be done effectively and efficiently. So team building is really important. Next is the time. So cultures differ in how they view time. For examples, they differ in the balance between work and family life and the workplace mix between work and the social behavior. So time is really important also in the workplace. So you should know how to manage your time wisely. To as a worker, you need to become a responsible one. You need to be on time, to be efficient, to be resilient at all times because it is your responsibility and it is your duty to be on time and to make the work done fast. You should have your time management always. And lastly is the schedules. So work can be impacted by culture and the religious events. So the business world generally runs on the Western secular year, beginning with the January and ending with December 31. But some cultures use wildly different calendars to determine New Year's or specific holidays. So um, schedules, for example, in Eastern Orthodox Christians, so they celebrate their Christmas on different day from Western Christians. Some Muslims, Friday, for them, Friday is the day for prayer. So in Jews, they observe holidays ranging from Rosh Hashanah to Yom Kippur. So these variations affects the workplace as the people require time off to observe their holidays and their own specific schedules. So next topic will be tackled by Miss Sheila Limana.